smile says it all right here. I was like, you got to be kidding me right now. Like,
it just keep pulling.
It does.
I know.
And it kept going. Like, even when I was going around the curves, I was like, what? Am I taking this curve this fast and this hard right now? Like, I love it though. I'm ready to just go for a ride right now. Like, I'm ready to get down to Daytona, y'all. I'm just ready to go for a ride, get on the highway and just ride. All right, y'all. I just finished doing my first official ride since having Meg back. And look, I don't know if you've seen me. I was all smiles when I pulled up. So I'm just ready to put it on the highway. I'm just ready to go ahead and get down to Daytona. I wish it was like leave tomorrow. Bag's not even packed. I don't even care. I'm just ready to ride. But I'm just ready to go. I do want to mention though, for my radiator cover and my fairing spoiler here, both of these, I got these from the factory match. And some people, I've seen it where they'll just get this color and they'll leave this part, the radiator cover, they'll leave that black. But I decided I just want to do the whole thing color match. And I think it looks good. I'm glad I chose to go that way because at first I was kind of torn which way I wanted to go after, you know, talking back and forth online with the factory match. And, you know, I just made my decision better. Just go ahead and just color match it. And I'm pretty happy I did because it looks good that way. So big, huge shout out to the factory match. You can look them up online. Follow them on Instagram or on all their platforms. They'll respond pretty fast. Customer service is awesome. So on this video, y'all, I'm getting ready to finally take off these stock bars. And that's a good thing about the 24s. Well, at least that and beyond. The new bars that come on these, you really don't have to necessarily change these out. And these are adjustable. But, you know, just because I'm changing everything else, I wanted to go ahead and just get some new bars. I wanted the height to keep the same height. I didn't necessarily want to go anything really any taller. Didn't need anything any shorter, really. So I kind of got the same height when it come to the bars. I just wanted the style to look, just to be a different look. These bars here from Wings Custom. And as you can see, they're thicker. The bars are thicker. About an inch and a quarter or so. So that's what these are. They're 10 inches, like I said. And these are called the Front King. So they do have a slight bend in them. I'm going to turn them slightly here to the side. And you can see they do have a slight bend in them. But as far as height, because I was comfortable with the height of these, I didn't really want to go any taller than that. So I wanted to keep the height just about the same. And like I said, I just wanted some thicker bars. But the good thing about Wings Customs, you can look online and pick out whatever style bars you like. And you can even get a thicker bar, far as the width of them. They go all the way up to about 2 inches. And you can also get some taller bars, because they pretty much make their bars custom and you can get it to fit with whatever you may like. But this is the design I went with. Like I said, these are called the Front King, which they have the slight bend in them. And these, I didn't go all the way up to the 2-inch thickness. I wanted to keep it around the same, but just slightly a little bit thicker than the stock bars. And these are about 1.25 inches as far as how thick these are. And never mind if y'all hear my kids in the background. They're still slightly hyped because Trinity had a game today that we just got back from. Look, I told y'all, like, we're just forever running, and now they're outside playing and everything. So, but hubby and I, we're about to go ahead and test our patience, get these bars installed. So first things first, y'all, we got to get all the controls and everything off because we got to get these bars off. Wish me luck. All right, so I took my saddlebag off, my side panel off, so I can get to my fuse. My main fuse, you want to pull that out before you start unplugging all your electrical stuff up here where you throw on an engine light or stuff. So that's all I just did. Stick it under here and pop this up. Stick it under here. one of the parts that I've been dreading. So we finally got the bars off the bike. Yes, I have transitioned into the house now and made myself even more comfortable. So we gotta get all the controls here off the old bars and these wires. That's the thing. Making sure we get them threaded through and back into into the holes and everything on the new bars. So this is the tedious part that I was dreading. But we're gonna knock it down, get it all in there. Hopefully we can do it tonight. I don't have to take a break and we revisit this tomorrow. So I don't make hubby too upset. But we're gonna do all that, and then at least if I get that done, I feel more accomplished. And when we get them back on the bike, that won't be so bad. So let's get to work. Stickers. Old bars. The stock bars. All the wires are gone, the controls are off, everything is gone. That part wasn't so bad. Now we gotta get these wires into the new bars. Hopefully that won't be so bad either. So we're about to tackle that. Y'all, after about 5 to 6 attempts, we finally have the wires through the bars, which is the hardest part thus far. I didn't think we was gonna be able to do it a couple times, but we got it working. But we did get this idea with taping the wires to a string. This is a shoelace from Steve on Sick Baggers. We got this idea for him, and which was a huge help. Because I don't know if you're gonna feed this through these bars and get it to come out through all these bends. So yay, we finally did it. It took us a couple tries, but we made it. So now, like I said, I'm gonna get this tape off, and then we'll start putting the hand controls and everything back on. All right, guys, finally got the controls back on. The wires are in. It is.
It's 11:00.
Yeah, it's like 11:30. So I'm debating if I'm gonna go ahead and just put them back on the bike tonight or just wait until tomorrow to do it. Either way, we got this done, and I probably might go ahead and put them back on. Who knows? But I just want to show you guys I got this much done already. Well, we had that much done. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put these bars back on for tonight. But one thing I do love about the Wings Custom bars, you see this notch here that's in this riser, the little top piece that goes on the riser. Wings put a notch here, a hole here, right here. So you don't have to, because some bars you will have to shave this off and you won't be able to put this back on top of your bars, but Wings already have that hole there and it matches up good, so you don't have to worry about shaving anything off, and that helps you when you're lining everything back up as well. So one less step you gotta do. So we're just gonna go ahead and do everything in reverse order with putting them back on. Then I worry about adjusting them as far as how high they sit, how low they sit when I'm sitting on the bike. We'll do that probably another day. I just want to go ahead and get them back on, and we'll call it a night. All right, guys, it's been a couple days, and actually that same night we went ahead and put everything back together and adjusted everything the way I felt comfortable with my bars, having them adjusted closer to me or further, however. But everything's tightened up, put back together. My bars are adjusted perfectly for me to ride. I'm ready to get out and ride, and this is how they look. I am pretty much happy with choosing the 10-inch bars and not going any higher because like I said, they're still around the same height. Pretty much they're exactly the same height as the stock bars, and I was comfortable with my arm placement there, so I wanted to keep my arms just right where they were. Only thing is with these bars, my hands come in a little bit closer, which makes my ride even better. So I'm just completely excited about that. I cannot wait to head to Daytona and really get on the highway and just ride. So I know by the time you guys see this video, you have already seen my bars in person if you was down in Daytona, because I'll be headed back home. But other than that, guys, this is how they look now, and I'm just excited about them. I love how they looking. Shout out again to Wings Customs for these bars. If you guys are looking for something like this, like I said, you have several choices on their website that you can choose. These bars are custom, so you can pretty much choose a different style, and you can choose the different heights in the bars. So you can check them out on Instagram, or you can check them out online. Again, it's Wings Customs, and I'm excited about these bars, guys. I will have all the links down below in the description, just in case you guys aren't able to find it. So I'll put it down below, and you guys can check them out for yourself. I want to sit on the bike so you guys can kind of see the position of my arms of the bike, and how my hands are positioned here while I'm riding. So when I said these are very close to the stock height, which I put them against the stock bars and they're pretty much the same exact size, but my shoulders feel comfortable. I don't have to worry about that. My hands are a little bit closer to each other, so that makes my ride a little bit better. So I'm pretty comfortable with these, and I'm happy that I chose these bars. Now, when I get on the highway and ride, of course, I'll get to see even more how I like these bars, or if it's something I don't like. But I can't imagine there's something I won't like, because I already just sitting here and from me riding in the neighborhood a little bit. And even if I start riding and I feel like these bars are down too much or they're too far up, just adjusting these bars, because they already put that notch in there for you. You didn't have to shave anything out or anything. This will be an easy fix that we can fix to adjust them up higher or bring them down lower towards me. But as of now, I'm pretty good. I like it. And I do want to point out to all those that are new to the channel, I'm 5'2½". So if you're a short rider and you're looking for some bars that are comfortable for you, these bars are from Wings Customs. These are the Front King style bars, the 10-inch. You won't be disappointed. So until next video, guys, hope you guys love it. Make sure you like this video. Drop those comments below. Love you guys. Bye.